Yeah, I'm losing now uphill. I'm 39 miles an hour, meaning my weight is dragging me back, right? Which is normal. See, it's going down to 33 from 65. It's enormous difference, right? But I have a 2 to 3 hills like that, and after I reach some point, it will be all downhill towards the North Carolina, basically. Now see, I'm 33 miles an hour now. You cannot do nothing now. Just keep your gas steady there. Now this is fight between Freightliner and your weight. Who's gonna win? For now, weight is winning. I'm going 32 now, right? Yeah. So when I reach the peak, I let you know what happened. See, now I'm a peak, right? Now we're gonna gain. I still stay on my always slow lane. Never go on left lane unless you have to pass slow truck. But with this kind of load, you don't need it. Here is the road is changing, so I gotta switch the lane to left. Right? So now I'm 50 miles an hour. I can take my flushers off. Right? So now see, I'm gaining. Now I will gain to about 65, maybe 64, until I hit another uphill, right? So here says, see, never trust GPS. GPS tells you 65, but the road limit is actually 55 here. Right? So always watch road limit. Do not trust GPS, because if you have a trooper stop you here, here is 65 starting again. He's not gonna care about your GPS speed. He will ask you, why did you go 10 miles faster in a speed 55? Yeah. So that's why do never trust GPS. I trust them when I go to Walmart, Flying J, you know, or some major highways, but with speed, I don't. Meaning you gotta pre-plan. Here is 65. So I'm gonna gain now some speed here, right? Now I have to lose some speed. So this is engine brake setting number 3. I'm going around 65, yeah. And how you slow down the truck when you have engine brakes on, all you have to do, remember, don't use foot brakes unless you need it. See, I'm going 56 now. Now I'm gonna gain again 65. Using this slope to get my weight helping me to move from these mountains, right? So if your speed is growing, right, going higher, and your weight is pushing, and your engine brake is not able to slow down you, all you have to do, tap one little stroke, light tap on your foot brake, and it's gonna slow you like 6 miles right away there. So that's what you do. Don't overheat brakes. No, man. I see some people too much overheating here, and you know that's what happens when they overheat. Metal expands and high heat, and guess what? Wheel can go in a fire, or it wheel can fall off because the brake will seize and you are out of business. So 53 again. I gained some weight. See this guy with logs. A lot of log drivers here. A lot of forest, I guess. Now I'm again to 48. I'm gonna put my flushers on again. And go to my slow lane again, because I have no place on the left lane. No, I'm too slow. 55, 45, right? So let me update you with a little bit higher, bigger hills soon, and tunnel too. So I'm type of driver that never ever talk on the phone while driving. I'm just like that from day one. I just don't want to touch the phone or anything like that. I don't want to even look to the phone. All I can do is stop, check my GPS, that's it, right? Because safety first, right? They say it needs 1.5 second distraction time and you are in a ditch. Especially in this kind of mountain terrain, you have to really 100% concentrate. It's not flat land, it's not, you know, just straightforward. It's just, you know. Now look at how big hill. This is one of the biggest, I think, longest we coming. Look at how long. This is gonna drag me down to probably 32, maybe. Let's see. Oh, I'm still good doing 37, not bad. If I can keep 37, I'm laughing, yeah. Yeah, it is long grade here, man. Scenic overlook 1 mile, but probably not truck allowed. Yeah, usually. See, I'm 35, so it's getting slower and slower, right? And what do? Just wait for downhill. Yeah, I told you it's gonna be really, I think this is the longest one in all this mountain. I'm 19, it's just a long stretch, man. But nothing wrong with that. I have one truck with logs, with wood. He is probably even heavier than me. Wood is, man, is really heavy items. But, you know, his advantage is he is a Peterbilt. He's stronger than Freightliner, right? I think he's gonna just fly by me. Maybe I'm wrong. Depends what's the weight there. So now I'm approaching, I'm almost on top. Yeah. Pick of the pig. See my truck? This is the baby. This truck is not melon one. Man, anybody drive this truck will be very happy. Very low maintenance. True, I don't have a big miles on this one. And this is really low. And low gas using. This is a baby. So Peterbilt is still behind me, meaning one thing or other. Meaning he's a lot heavier than me. Probably is. Or he doesn't want to rush, he just take time. Some truck drivers, they enjoy these hills, you know. Well, you cannot rush just in a mountain. So stay tuned, guys, until I reach the peak, yeah. So I beat the Peterbilt. I'm surprised he's much behind me. So now I'm on top of the mountains. Now you are over 50 miles, so you don't need flushers. And now enjoy this scenery here, man. All these mountains are curved so precise. I don't know when this highway was built, probably a long time ago. Somebody was thinking smart to make so nice and wide here. Rolling rock danger, so these mountains look like sometime a rock comes from the top, I guess. we're gonna gain again speed downhill, right? Now we gotta gain here, see 65 here to 65, and so that's the whole theory. Gain downhill, lose uphill. Look at this, no signal light, man. Don't walk on highway, man. Such a dude. Free country. So let's clean up a little bit. I have to wait for my pickup number. I came to pick up load and my pickup number was wrong. So might as well let me show you the trick how you check your trailer brakes. Look at that nice hook, huh? That's my own innovation. So yellow out. All right. Now let's start the truck. So yellow out, red in. Oh, that way you can hear me better. It can be off. Doesn't have to run here. Right, so see that I hook up to that back there. So you gotta make sure this trailer brake is down. Now let's check the brakes here, you know. Well, I have to wait for my pickup number anyway, so might as well I show you how you check your trailer brakes here. So I pull that trailer brake and see there, it gotta be less than 90 degrees. 90 or less than 90. If it's over 90, right, see that? If it's over 90 degrees, you are out of service. It's very simple to do. So let's wait now for pickup number. Oh, here's pickup number coming. Hello? Okay, just let me grab. I'm just walking here. Okay? Yeah. Don't worry. So what's another number? 543 130 07. Okay, that's all you have. Okay, let me call them. Okay, thank you. All right, so they send me pickup number and I'm ready to roll. So now my load is 40,000 pounds. So that gives me indication that I need to go on scale. And the first scale from here is a Charlotte, North Carolina. It's about 15 miles. So what you want to do, you want to go to the closest scale possible, so you don't hit the scale, the weight station, right? So I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna get my shower, and I'm gonna get my scale done same time and get my coffee. So that's how it's gonna work here. See that trees, always watch. North Carolina, sometimes a lot of trees on roads. Maintenance don't have time to clean them up, I guess, on time, so you have to watch for this. You want to scratch your truck for your trailer damage, right? So let's see what's gonna be on scale. I will show you the line what I have on my trailer when I stop, and we can analyze this weight station issue, right? Because I think my load is okay, but so we are getting 85 north from here. My window is a little bit fog today. Probably it's a lot of humidity in North Carolina, lots of humidity here. So now we're gonna go here. I always steal some room here because, right? Let's see if I can go this way. We don't have traffic there, so we are good to go. Wide turn, man. Don't make two wide turns. Make sure you are in a lines. Don't cross the lines. Special double line or the full line, right? They call. So here is actually exit to 85 north, which I'm going right now. So no trucks on the left more than 3 axles. So that's the rule here. Don't go too happy here. Yeah, my load is low actually. It's a heavy, but load is really one layer on the floor. So it's hard to tip this kind of load. Very hard. You must be really crazy to do it. Look at this. Okay, buddy, thank you. This other guy just didn't want to let me in. It's okay. Maybe he doesn't know rules, he doesn't know I'm heavy, and you know, all these elements. So you know what happened this morning? Oh man, my neck is on exercise. Feel my neck. Yeah, no wonder 9 hours of dry every day, right? So anyway, I went in a hole. Guy told me dock 15. I listen what they tell me, right? So I go to 15, and first time I didn't get the hole, and that's normal. You correct yourself. But the time when I touched the dock, right? Guy was already in my trailer without even ramp down. Believe this thing? I mean, what's the rush here, man? I come to pick up, and you are, I know it's a rush to, you know, load, but you know, and he jumped in my trailer. I feel some vibration, but you know, I was suspecting the guy is in my trailer already. So I went out, I see the ramp is still down, loading ramp, right? So, and I see I gotta correct myself. So I went back to truck and slowly